going to start doing is we're going to start an experiment with how smell affects what we're eating. So right now what I've got is a couple different food options, and then we're going to try them a few different ways combined with different types of smell to see how it affects the food. For our first option, I need you both to close your eyes.
Can I just close my eyes?
That's fine. Close your eyes. You're going to taste this, and this is without anything added to it. This is just as it is.
Okay. Wait. Tastes fluffy.
What is it?
It tastes savory, so maybe bread.
Okay. Alright, now I'm going to have you guys close your eyes again, and I'm going to have you smell something first. So here, I'm going to hand you, you're going to smell this. Get a good big smell of it.
Here, can I hold it?
You got a big smell of it? Alright. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to hold this up to your nose, and you're going to taste a bite of this at the same time you're smelling that. So put that up to your nose. Now take a bite. I want to know, does the food change in flavor?
Not really.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you say that changed for you?
It was weird because it was like, you could know it's bread, but it kind of tasted like sour, like a lemon.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much did it taste like a lemon? 10 being all the way lemon, 1 being not at all.
6.
Okay.
10.
Close your eyes. Now you're going to smell, and I forgot to pick up coffee, so now you're going to smell my coffee container at the same time that you taste...
Are we going to drink the coffee?
No. You're going to smell this coffee at the same time that you taste this. So here's this. I'm going to have to do it one at a time because I only have one coffee container. So you're going to start, put that up to your nose, and put that in your mouth. Now, scale of 1 to 10, what happens with the bread for you? Okay, no choking allowed.
What?
On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being it still tastes exactly like bread, 10 being it tastes exactly like coffee, what does that do for you?
It tastes kind of bitter, so I'll do 5 out of 5.
Okay, what about you? You have to smell it at the same time, goofball.
It's kind of weird because it's like, I would probably rate that one like a 4 because it's like you still have the taste of coffee, but it's still like bread.
Okay.
Chocolate chip.
Yes, we're gonna smell chocolate chips while we try bread.
You gotta keep your eyes closed, dude.
He saw me grab it.
Oh.
Alright, so you'll go first. Here's your bread. You sniff that, big boy.
Ow.
Sorry, dude. No, you don't get to eat a chocolate chip. No, sir.
Aw.
Alright, 1 to 10.
I'd say 10.
That tasted more like chocolate than it did bread.
Yeah.
Alright, what about you?
Probably because you nailed me with it. See, for me, that one was like a 2.
Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same experiment, but we're going to do it with pound cake. So first you're going to get the flavor without any scent. So here's that. Without any smell.
Hallelujah. That tastes good.
Alright. Now,
Can I go next
pound
first
cake
for the coffee?
and a lemon. Pound cake and a lemon. Snip the lemon while you taste the cake. And focus. Scale of 1 to 10.
Probably like, I have to rate it like a 10.
Tastes it a lot like lemon to you?
Yeah. Because it's lemon pound cake.
It's not lemon pound
It's
cake.
probably like,
That's the kind
No,
I
it's not.
bought.
It's plain. Okay. I didn't hear your answer.
I think mine would probably be a 9. So.
Bug, you gotta sit up. Alright, Sissy, you get to do this one first.
Coffee.
Here, wait, and here's your piece of... There you go.
Oh, that's a 10.
Definitely more like coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. That's a 1.
It's a 1 for you?
Yeah.
Doesn't taste like coffee at all?
No.
Alright.
Taste buds are different, so different
Ow.
people might taste different things.
Alright, now we're gonna do chocolate. She goes first.
That's a 20.
It tastes a lot like chocolate, huh?
Uh-huh.
What about you, dude? Ready?
Do I have to keep my eyes closed?
Yes, because you're focusing on smell, not sight.
I have to rate that a 6.
Okay. Now we're going to do ice cream.
Yay!
So you each get a bite of just straight ice cream without anything added to it.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
And you spill it on your shirt. That should not be a surprise to me at all.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, each of you hold your lemons.
Here.
Hold your lemon. Alright, I'm going to get each of you some ice cream. There you go. And here you go, dude. Ready? Alright, now smell the lemon, taste the ice cream at the same time. Don't suck on the lemon, though. Alright, 1 to 10.
Probably like a 4.
Okay,
To me, that's rated 10.
a 10. I need the lemon back, please. Alright, next we're going to
The
do
ice cream.
the coffee.
And the ice cream.
Yeah,
I've
I
actually,
need your fork. There we
I've
go.
actually had coffee flavored ice cream, so this is gonna be kind of
Coffee flavored ice cream is not very good.
Alright, sniff. One to 10.
Whoa. Whoa.
1 to 10.
Like 100.
Alright,
It's
can't
like-
bug the coffee container.
It's like, sheesh. It was like, boom. Coffee.
Here, bug. One to 10.
To me, that was rated 0.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was weird.
The last one that we're gonna do is we're gonna do chocolate. So you guys each get a chocolate chip without any smells.
Hmm.
It's dark chocolate.
We didn't do the ice cream with the chocolate.
Oh, well, oops. We'll come back to it, okay? Alright, so you've got just a chocolate chip.
I need water.
And how's that? Just a chocolate chip.
I need water.
We'll do that in a minute.
Tastes just like a chocolate chip.
Alright, ready? Now we're going to do the same thing. But you each get your lemon. Here's your lemon. Here's your lemon. Here's your chocolate chip.
That was probably like a 2, maybe 3.
Okay.
Because I think chocolate has much more of a like rich, bitter texture than lemon. So
Okay.
Yet again, still like a 9.
Okay. Here, Bob.
I think coffee has more of a like a smell overtake.
They both kind of smell like chocolate, so that's kind of an 20.
Okay. And now we're gonna do
Peace.
ice cream with chocolate since we forgot that one. So, Bug,
We should do chocolate with chocolate.
that makes no sense. Hey, Bug, here's your ice cream.
Hey.
Yeah, pay attention. Here's your ice cream. Wait, you guys smell the chocolate at the same time. Does that do anything for the taste of the ice cream?
No. I just like the ice cream.
Alright, love, here. You hold this. And get you. Ready? Here you go.
Now can I just have a bite of ice cream?
1 to 10.
That was 10, 10, 10.
Alright. So, what would you say you learned from this?
One, that lemons aren't as powerful, like for taste and stuff.
So the
2.
smell of a lemon doesn't impact the taste as much? Okay.
2, if you are 2, that coffee, like, boom, like, no matter what you're tasting, it tastes like coffee. And 3, that chocolate doesn't really impact it. Maybe it's because we did chocolate chips. Maybe if we did, like, a bar or something, it would have been different. But, like, with me, like, the chips, I didn't really like them. What did you learn about the lemon?
Lemon doesn't really account ice cream. Like, it isn't very good with ice cream.
Okay, so it doesn't take over the flavor.
Yeah.
What for you took over the flavor the most? What smell?
Pound cake.
But what smell took over the flavor?
Coffee, lemon, or chocolate?
Lemon.
Lemon took over the flavor of which thing?
Pound cake.
Pound cake. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and finish off for the day. If you'd like to find more resources to do this experiment with your kids, I'll link the blog post in the description, and I'll also link some free printables you can use to keep track of your experiment. Have an amazing day.